Oh, filming now. Hello. Happy birthday, Kim. Weren't expecting that, were you? So, Kim. Hey, birthday girl. How do I zoom with this?
Don't.
Oh, yes, I do. I know. How do I zoom? How do you? Oh, crap. No. Say something, Kim.
Something, Kim.
Say a birthday wish. What's your birthday
Happy
wish?
birthday, Kim. I hope you get a lot of money.
Oh, that's a hint, everybody. Put $20 in your card, Brett. Hey, Brett, how are you doing?
How you doing?
Kim's pile of clothes folded neatly. It's amazing.
Well, I could do something very film-worthy, but Kim would get pissed. I can just go.
That'd be all. Then everything would be back to normal. Bless you, Kim.
Bless you.
Oh my God, you're a cartoon character. Oh yes, on the beach. That's awesome. Save it for later. Hello, say hello.
Hello. Good evening. Happy birthday, Kimberly.
So say something. What's your birthday wish? Oh my God! Yeah, show us. Show us what's in there. Show us the good. Show us all the goods.
I was saying, give me a little dinner appetizer.
Oh. Gross. What are we watching? P. Diddy. Sean.
That's not him, is
Oh, that's not him. They all look like him. Sorry.
Perfect.
Sorry. Kind of true. How do you zoom? There's a way.
The front.
Oh, ooh. Close up.
Extreme close up. What show is that? Wayne's World.
Please stop. You do not want to see that.
Wait, it's
Oh,
not off.
whoa, wait a minute.
What's going on?
Oh, take your hand down for a second. Cleavage! Yes. No cleavage here. Unless you put a flash on me. Okay. I just took flash pictures. What? I was looking at